Welcome back to Summarize Science. Ever asked an AI to draw something simple, only to get a bizarre, mashed-up image in return? You might ask for a palm and get a tree growing out of a hand. This strange behavior is a real challenge for AI image generators, and a new paper called Undoubling Diffusion dives deep into why it happens and how to fix it. The core of the problem lies with homonyms, words that are spelled the same but have different meanings, like bat, cricket, or trunk. As you can see from these examples, when a diffusion model sees a word like this, it sometimes tries to draw all the meanings at once, a phenomenon the researchers call homonym duplication. This happens because the AI's understanding of a word is often a blend of all its possible definitions. The problem gets even trickier when you're not using English. Many AI models are Anglocentric, meaning they translate everything to English first. So, if a Russian user asks for a social date, it gets translated to the English word date, and the AI might draw a fruit instead of a romantic dinner. To figure out how bad this problem was, the researchers created a benchmark of 171 different homonyms. They then tested 11 popular open-source AI image models to see how often they made this mistake. The results, shown in this chart, reveal that some models are much worse than others. Models like Playground 2.5 had a high rate of duplication, while others like Cogview 4 had a low rate, but often because it failed to follow the prompt at all. Interestingly, the size of the model didn't seem to have any correlation with how often it made these errors. The researchers also discovered a proper name bias. For example, asking for a Stitch would frequently generate the cartoon character, and bat would often create images of Batman, even though that's a different word. So, how do we fix this? The solution is surprisingly elegant. Instead of just feeding the AI a single, ambiguous word, they used a large language model, or LLM, to expand the prompt first. For example, the simple prompt base becomes a much more descriptive prompt like a serene lake at sunrise, with a sleek base leaping out of the water. This prompt expansion technique worked wonders, significantly reducing the rate of homonym duplication. It even solved the translation problem. By expanding the prompt in the original language before translation, the AI could better understand the user's true intent. For instance, expanding the Russian prompt for a social meeting led to a successful image of a romantic date, not a piece of fruit. So, let's recap the important points. AI image generators get confused by words with multiple meanings, a problem called homonym duplication. This is made worse by the AI's tendency to translate non-English prompts, which can accidentally create new homonyms. The paper shows that a simple but powerful solution is to use a language AI to automatically add more detail and context to our prompts. What does this mean for the future? This research provides a practical way to build smarter, more reliable, and less frustrating AI art tools. It's a step towards AI that understands language with context, just like humans do. Ultimately, this helps make these powerful creative tools more accessible and useful for everyone, no matter what language they speak. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.